Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about apps. It's actually been quite a while since we talked about apps on this channel, so in today's video I will show you guys 10 amazing apps that you can download on your device for free that are really helpful and will help your device be even better. And we're starting with the first one called Summarify. What it does, it allows to summarize videos from YouTube. Now I've reviewed similar apps before, but this one is even better. So what you need to do here is go to YouTube video and just grab the link of that video, copy the link and come back into the app here. All you have to do is just paste the link. Allow the paste here, tap on Summarify, and in a couple of seconds right here you will have a few different options. Now this is where this app is different from the other ones that I have reviewed. You can have like a short summary of that video, bullet points, or a detailed summary. So if I just tap right there, you can see that it will give us basically every important point in this video that you need to know about. Timestamps right here and what it talks about. It's actually really amazing. The job that it does is actually great. Now once you're done here, you can go to the popular videos right here, to your history, and also to the ones that you have saved, and you can take a look back at those summaries from those videos that you have on this app. Next up is PhotoRevive. Now this app uses AI to retrieve your photos. So if you have old pictures, black and white pictures, you can actually turn them into colorized pictures, or if you have pictures that need to be repaired or enhanced, you can all do that by using this app, and with just one click. You don't have to do anything manually. Everything here is automatic, and of course it uses AI, and you will have all other options right here. So you will have different creativity options right here, different lifestyle that you can set your photo to, but these right here, the AI restore is the important part. So we have enhance, repair, and colorize. So let's try one here. Let's try the enhance. So we tap right there and just load a picture from the camera roll. So here we have a picture we want to enhance. Like you can see right here, we're on the free trial. This app will require you a paid subscription to have unlimited tries here on these photos. So of course it will have ads as well, but in a few seconds right here we should have an enhanced picture out of this old picture that actually is not that good in quality. And it gives you also the option here to compare the result, the before and after, which of course tells you more about this app and how good it works when it comes to colorizing and enhancing your pictures. So there we have the result, and you can see the before and after here. It does a great job. Probably it's hard to tell from the camera here, but it has done an amazing job in enhancing this old picture. And from here, of course, you can share it or save it to your camera roll. Next up is Tempbox. Now this one is very useful. Whenever you want to sign up somewhere or you need an email, a temporary email, you can just simply create it with this app. All you have to do is just tap on new email address. You can just choose your own address right here, or just choose a random one. It will actually generate a random one for you, and then tap the done button. Now you will be able to actually use this email address to sign in somewhere, sign up maybe on a website or somewhere that you don't want to give out your real email address. And you can see right here we'll have everything. You'll have your password right there. You will have your email as well. So these are your inboxes for, of course, you can create multiple emails, and anytime you need to check the inboxes of one of those, you will see them right here. So you can go ahead and go individually to each of these inboxes. Next up is LocalSend. Now this is an amazing app which allows you to send different things from your iPhone to another iPhone and Android as well. So it works cross platforms. Of course, all you need to have is two iPhones, or an iPhone or an Android device which have this app installed. And then from here you can receive. You can just go ahead and receive from here. You turn it on, as easy as that. And then you can go to send as well, and you can see the kind of different things that you can send. You can send media, text, you can paste maybe a file or whatever you have here. You can choose a file from your Files app, or maybe even a folder. And from here it will just search for nearby devices that do have this app installed and opened, and then you can just go ahead and easily send anything you want. Next up is an app called WiPad. Now this is a simple app, as you can see right here. All it does is that it allows you to turn your iPhone into trackpad or a mouse, whatever you want to call it, for your Mac. So it's as simple as this. All you have to do is just have WiPad installed on your iPhone and your Mac as well. Once you open it, it will search and connect with your Mac, and from here you can turn your iPhone into a mouse for your Mac. Now this might be very useful if you have, let's say, like an old iPhone and you just want to use it as a trackpad or a mouse for your Mac. You can actually use it with this app, which is free for the iPhone and for the Mac as well. Next up is Final Cut Camera. Now, this is an Apple app. It has been released a few months ago, and it's basically an enhanced version of the camera app of the iPhone, allowing you to do much more, of course, and have a lot more controls, be able to do a lot more things with your iPhone's camera. So right here we have the different lenses. We can zoom in and out, of course. Then right here we have all kinds of different tools where we can set right here the focus, and we can set other things like right here the brightness and the exposure and all that. So it's pretty awesome, very easy to use as well. Right here we have all the different like formats and different resolutions and frames per second to which we can change. You can see that's very easy. You just tap right there and gives you the options in which you can record, and also the different formats in which you can record. Right here it shows you how much time you have left to record with your camera, based of course on the storage that you have on your iPhone, which is really awesome. Now another great feature that you will find here on this app that you can download for free from the App Store is this one right here, Live Multicam. So this allows you to record with up to 4 different devices at once. So you will be able to connect 4 different devices, which is really awesome. And again, this is totally free from the App Store. The next app for the video is called ByePhotos. It allows you to easily free up space on your iPhone by deleting multiple pictures that are basically the same. Like you can see right here, I have 4 pictures which are the same. You can select these right here. You can see it shows how many pictures I have selected and how much space I'm actually saving. What's really cool is that at any time you can preview any of these photos right here. If you want to keep it, you can tap right there. So you select them, and then right here you will have this button which indicates how many photos you have selected and how much space you're saving. And right here you can also rearrange them. So if it's easier for you like to find the pictures, you can just rearrange there from the oldest to newest to oldest, or the largest to smallest if you want to see the pictures that are taking the more space on your iPhone. Now the same goes for videos as well. Just when on the videos, you can actually see every video, not the ones that are just similar to one another. So just like this, you can have your iPhone have a ton more free space by deleting any photo that are actually exactly the same, but you're still keeping multiple of those on your camera roll. Next up is Subbify. Now with Subbify, you will have the ability to track your subscriptions. So you know, subscriptions are a real pain, and every time you have a subscription, sometimes it will actually renew automatically. You might want to just basically cancel that subscription, but you forget about it, of course, and then it renews and takes your money. But with this app, you can add all of your subscriptions right here, and you will have your active subscriptions, and then you will have your free trial. So if you have a free trial, it shows right here, and you will have your pause subscriptions as well. Now what's really awesome about this app is that it will notify you for what you have to do. So right here you can see the notifications. You can manage your notifications, and of course detailed notifications info as well. So it sends you notifications when you need to pay. Of course, before you have to pay, before any subscription will be actually ready to be renewed, it will send you notifications letting you know that you will have either to cancel it, or if you want to, of course, continue it. Felo is the next app for the video. Now this is an AI app that allows you to search anything you want. You can basically just ask any question you want. From here, just type anything, or maybe even just ask anything using voice. So you can see right here, you have some suggestions right there from the app. And if I search for something here, you can see right here, we have a ton of like different things it will show us. So let's just go ahead and try one. And then we have the answer, and it will give you a really detailed answer. So right here, you can see it shows you all kinds of details. In this case, we're asking about upcoming tech conferences in 2024. It will give you every thing you need to know right here, so it's really awesome. And you will all be able to see related images and videos as well, so it's actually pretty cool, and it gives you just any details you need to know about that answer, not just a short answer. Next up is VoiceBox. VoiceBox is an amazing app that allows you to record voice memos, but what it does is that it will also transcribe those for you. It will even transcribe voice memos that you import into the app. So even if you have an audio file from somewhere else, you can just go ahead and import it on the app simply by tapping that button, and then it will give you a transcription of that recording, which is really awesome. So there we have this one. We can tap the button right there. It will give us the transcription, and of course we will have a lot more options right here from where we can share or add to this transcription, which is really amazing. Now this will be useful in a lot of cases. Maybe if you're just at a conference or at a meeting, you want to record something, you will be able to actually have your transcription right there. You can copy it and use it anywhere you want. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and of course subscribe for more videos. Every link to these apps will be right down below in the pinned comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.